including me. Did you download that metronome program? Have you tried using it? Does it make sense? Do you find it hard? Yeah. Jesse's really good coach on playing the metronome. Sean's going to the fog. She's practicing her flutes and metronomes.
Oh, yeah. Totally. We're going to have to hang out.
Yeah. Mary, did you like the Calagrata?
And I'm having a hard time with that Zoom, but I don't know, that works.
He just is used to being on it and teaching on it, so he can.
Yeah, he's so chill, but it's so precise.
Yeah.
couple people are.
Those ones. And then from Justin Keegan. First one is Jimmy. Have you guys ever seen that thing on Facebook, the Snoop Dogg is college? It's like a TikTok meme that they show on Facebook all the time. And basically, there's a program you get where you get Snoop Dogg. There's a thing that Snoop Dogg where he calls you and he just looks at you and he smiles and he's listening to Frozen in the background. He goes, sometimes I just sit in my car and listen to this. S. You ever see it? It's called Snoop Dogg is college. Oh my god. We'll have to look at it. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's
Sometimes I just sit in my car listening to shit. And you see the people's faces like, Snoop! Snoop! You know, it's just a recording. It's not even Snoop. Yeah. I've seen about 100 of them. Okay. Let's just start off.
There we go. You got it.
All right. Is that what we're
I
writing
got a
about?
whole new idea.
Oh, really? You like that too?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like them both.
I guess the guy that wrote the second one came from not far from where Lowry. It sounds like that a little bit.
Well, the other one feels like it's gonna be.
Oh yeah. Both those guys were accomplished musicians, so who knows? They're big moving around. Like,
Yeah.
doing other stuff. Let's do James. Let's do those polkas.
But it's just your butt. It's just the ponytail. That's it. Yeah, it's totally okay. It's totally fine. Totally fine.
He has to move up. You?
Oh, right, yeah. That's your niece, right? Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yes. It's already
And then?
for college.
Oh, okay.
That's it? That's all that's left?
Yeah, that's what they got.
Jeez.
Wow.
Orange and
Depends on
too.
what college.
You want a water? Oh, you reach in my secret bag.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
This is this.
I still don't like all this space.
That's stuff that's got orange pit in it. Just pulp in
Orange
it.
pulp in it.
Yeah, it kind of takes
It
me by
does?
surprise. I think so, doesn't it?
I don't think so.
Is that from
Like
here?
6 of them.
Is it from here?
No,
It
no,
looks
no.
like-
Oh.
It looks like
Jewel.
slices of apple.
Yeah.
This one,
Those look like
Jules.
peaches to me.
Or
Those are Jules.
Well, it is based on the
sort of a
color.
peach color.
Yeah.
And those are clearly peach molecules.
Those are definitely molecules. If that's an apple, then that's highly confusing. It's kind of like, you know,
Yeah,
the
we know.
gummy
Yeah,
bears?
let's do real first.
The green gummy bear is strawberry. Did you know that?
I don't know a lot about gummy bears.
Okay, so Hasbro gummy, you know, is that what they're called? Harbo gummy bears. The green gummy bear is strawberry flavored, which is to me is a violation of trust.
That seems
It's not just
strange.
an apple, right?
Green could be apple. What else can green be? Lime.
Yeah,
Green can be.
but strawberry? I mean,
Green is often an apple. Green can be in mint flavor, but that wouldn't be in normal gummy bear flavor.
Right. Yeah.
So let's
I
play the
think
red
they
hair
have
last.
a cherry. They must have a cherry gummy bear, so that.
That's red in the middle. It's peach.
C. No, G. C. Sorry. C, right? Yes. Shit. Sorry. I should have just not said anything. But it would have been fine.
about
fifth
that.
lower would be F. Yeah.
It's pretty grumbly.
Huh?
It's pretty grumbly.
Yeah. I love the way my fiddle sounds. But I don't know that everybody else does.
Yeah, it just kicked me off.
It does. Your fiddle sounds great there. I'm not sure that tune sounds great.
Oh yeah.
Because it's all.
Yeah. Chorus it. When you play that tune, did you learn it? Or
Yeah. Because that's what the Boston band does, right? Is that
they do that, and Sean McGuire does that.
I mean, I learned it from the.
But everyone else does it. That sounds weird. What note did you learn? Did they teach B or A?
It's much better, right?
I learned to be when I got told to
I know now you've got 2 inches.
And then from Kathleen? Yeah. Yeah, she might have been part of the cohort. We played it in B always. Yeah.
I
But
learned
everyone else.
whichever
But no,
one
this is-
the
it's
Boston
never
band
good
did,
with
but now they
the
both
fiddle.
sing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't have that.
Yeah.
It's like sitting next to somebody left-handed and
So you want to play that too? You do like your own? Yeah. Good. All right. She's down here. That's Jared. Sure. I understand. All right. Annika and I are going to start a slip jig. Would it be better to have Annika start the slip jig?
yeah. You can do it.
You can't do it.
You can
Right?
do it.
I will start with you.
What's in it for me in this negotiation? Maybe you should give me a bag of potatoes.
Okay, I'll get you a bag of potatoes next time.
What if I want a crunchy instead? Or switch to chocolate? We can go that
I'll
way.
bring you chocolate.
I want chocolate over
You
there.
could say I withdraw my offer to start anything. You could do that.
You know what?
Then
They're
he has to
traumatized by
negotiate again.
the pizza thing that you promised them years ago.
Oh yeah.
Right, we actually talked about it today in class.
We're very disturbed by it.
Will you please kindly start the Kevin Mock?
How many kids is this? The pizza thing?
Right now, it's just with 3 remaining.
It was the 3 that were there, but
What's that?
the ones who weren't there today, I'm sure would have
I'm
chimed in
not
as
sure.
well.
Oh, okay.
They're very traumatized by this.
Okay.
Do it. Do it.
So I shouldn't bother trying.
Trying to get them a pizza?
Yeah, yeah. Like I shouldn't get on a good pizza
Not right now.
because there's no ever. Because you're saying
Ever,
other
at this
kids
point,
somewhere.
Did you say that your dad would just do one tune at a time?
My grandpa.
Oh, your grandpa.
Yep.
Always remember
One tune
that.
at a time and always end with the first part once.
Oh, is that?
Yep.
It's, I always remember you saying that. 'Cause
Yep.
Do you have a philosophy behind that, or he just?
I think that's the way they did it where he's from.
Yeah. Huh.
What do you want to play, James?
Butterfly.
Can we do something not that? Save that. We just did it long. We just did a slip tune multiple parts many times. We could do it, but if we could think of something else, that would be more fun. Power me.
Yeah.
Rolling in the barrel.
Yeah. There we go. That's more fun. Power me. Can you start it, James? Awesome sauce. Not too fast, buddy. That's the.
What's that called?
It's not rolling in the barrel. Use that one again. Oh, it's the one that Tony McMahon and Noah played. Nice. Now, James. One more time. You know the switch? You can do it. Do it.
Is that too?
So what's that tune called again, James?
Rolling in the barrel. The Earl's Chair.
No. But it's the one from
Oh, the Humors of Castlefin.
The Humors of Castlefin. Yeah.
Castle Finn.
Yeah. That's
You want me
great.
to do that one?
You want to do Rolling in Barrel next? So Rolling in Barrel was this one.
Oh, I did the wrong one.
That's all right. That was awesome.
Great.
Yeah.
That's what he just completely figured out
And what is
himself.
you? What do you normally
Him and
play
the
with
YouTubes.
that? Humors of Castle Finn. What do you normally play with that?
Huh?
What do you normally play?
You're
with
an
the
adult. I don't understand your words.
I don't know. Rolling in the barrel.
This is. That's what it sounds like. All right. Want to do Rolling in Barrel?
Sure.
All right.
Actually, this guy.
Yeah, actually. That's all right. Practice got to do this. How was your food? Good. All right. Good. You got it?
I started it last time.
Whoa. Good negotiating. girls share. Woo! That was like a whole symphony you took us through. Like each time was different, and it was building to this. It was like a rock music. Yeah, probably. Why? Oh, I guess we'll talk about. What did you order for food? Huh? Mac and cheese. You ever had mac and cheese at the fireside? You ever had mac and cheese at the fireside? On Ravenfield?
Hey, how old is Athena?
It's amazing.
Yeah, mac
How old is
and
she?
cheese.
It's amazing.
7.
And you can add all kinds of stuff like peas and bacon.
You
and
can
broccoli.
add sauteed red peppers.
Yeah.
Have you ever had mac and cheese like
No.
In where?
bizarrely addictive?
And IKEA.
So good.
I've only ever had the
For some reason,
Swedish meatballs
Chinese
there.
mac and cheese is really good.
That's so funny. Probably because they use real good cheese. They just ship it over.
And are the instructions for it easy to follow?
No, like you go to their food
No,
court.
that's a joke.
Oh.
The instructions.
Yes, the instructions are wonderful.
It's just a spoon.
Food. So it's-
Do you ever get something from IKEA and have trouble following the directions and you hire someone to put it up?
I've never hired anyone, but I had to take things apart 7 times and put them back
They,
together because I
the
was
funny thing is they never pay attention to the directions. The guys that just puts them up, they just go, oh, they go.
Right,
They're like, what about the directions?
You were thinking it was
And
a
they're like-
row, and then I do it.
Or what happens if like it's missing one part? You ever do that? Where it's like it says 7 wrenches or 7 bolts and there's 6. You're like, uh-oh. How do I even describe this? How do I even get this? Like,
Right.
and then you hire that person, the guys from Serbia or wherever, he's like, oh, I didn't get this yet.
Just call me. It's so easy.
Who put up your IKEA stuff?
It's like Legos for adults.
Dr. Martini comes over and puts up our IKEA stuff.
Yeah, really.
I got some of my kids that had 2 holes on one side and the other 2 holes on the other side.
What?
A drawer front, it had 2 holes on one
Yeah.
side, the other 2 holes were on the opposite side.
That's
Okay.
a return.
Yeah, the machine messed up.
They just misdrilled this.
Well, I'm
Basil, is there any tunes you would like us to play? Or-
Play the Charlie Harrison.
Oh, yeah. Can you start with Basil? All right. Basil, you're up.
Okay.
Siobhan, you're on deck. This has to be Foslo's music. us a pick. We know. We're listening.
Jesse, are you looking for this pick?
What's that?
Are you looking for this pick?
I am,
Stole
yeah.
it.
You stole it? Do you want it?
No, you should have it. I'm gonna revert to this pick.
Can we do the raise your hand and the butterfly?
See if Sean's got anything. Anything you want us to play, or anything you want us to start, anything you want us to solo on? Those are three options. The fourth is we'll just say no to all of it. I mentioned the fourth option. So option one, solo. Option number two, just something you would like us to play. Option number three, you're something we can all play that you're going to start. What? All right, but all right, option two. Yeah. Down there. Okay. Gallagher's Frolics. How does the Frolics go again? That's now it's like that other jig. It's like that. Remember on the ocean? Remember Gallagher's Rock? Right. What happens next? It's just like QQQ. Sounds the exact same way. Again. Did it.
I can't go.
Your mom is totally charged with still singing.
Hey mom, can I drop traffic home Friday?
Yeah, mom,
You're not going to it, you may ride the car though.
is something you would like to start?
I can start recommending
Oh, well, let's do the butterfly before James goes.
I forgot how that was started.
How would you and James start the butterfly? It'd be 2 seconds.
I can do it.
You're like, oh, with that, James got in trouble. Mr. Shaw told him to stay. All right, this was on you though. All right, once you count off, James, you guys are starting together. So it'd be like 1, 2, 3, like that.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh,
Just go 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Stereo fiddles. So they put a door, walk around our weddings.
There you go.
The strolling fiddles. You're a little pixie today. One more time. Good job. Good job, James. Thank you. I think it's such a beautiful thought of Martin Hayes' dad, Tommy Potts, and Patty Kenny. So Martin Hayes' dad would go out trumping through the fields for like hours at a time, and then going in there and sitting there, and then playing, having Tommy play for them in his little kitchen.
Right, right.
Yeah. And then
Tommy Potts was mostly in Dublin.
yeah, he just came down. He fell in love with.
Like he visited them.
He visited them like 8 or 9 times for his vacation, and he would come down and would take the bus or train to Ennis, and then Peter O'Loughlin or one of those guys would pick him up, and take it their flight. Bye bye. Yeah, it was so beautiful. And then they would
See,
play.
James?
And then so at some point Martin was a little kid, and they asked him to play it too, so he played it too. And it was like, because he was listening to the top of the stairs all the time before that.
Yeah.
It's so awesome. Just walking around, they do
Right.
different accents, different everything, you know.
Right.
Is that your family?
No, he's not. He's from whistle class,
Who?
right? He's in whistle class.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Did you bring your whistle? I think it's him, right?
It is
Let's say hi.
Is there anything you would like us to play? You can remember on your time. Oh yeah. Great Northern Mass. Huh?
I don't know if I can do it this Sunday morning. I'm kind of
For fun.
my life to get together. But should I maybe start coming to lessons in person with the kids?
Sure.
Should I do that? And then pay for that? All these kids
It doesn't
are awesome.
replace. I mean, we don't get a ton done, just a little bit. So it doesn't
10:30?
replace the Wednesdays in
I
the
know,
edition.
but I just once I'm such a person of habit. Like
Are you watching the videos? It's really hard, I think, to watch the videos. There's a lot of people that just get the videos, but so much is better
It's not
to be
the
there.
same.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Because then, yeah.
You would still learn the tunes on Sunday mornings, right? Because it just that you need the
Yeah, you should
special
just come to
timing in
that.
the tune.
10:30,
11.
11.
You can come too. If you want. Bring her.
I just missed the in class. 11.
Yeah.
If you ever tried to get a teenager out of bed on a Sunday.
Good luck, right?
I haven't, luckily. But I was a teenager once, so I remember. Although depending on which time of being a teenager I was.
Which time did
I mean, we're on the same.
I really think it's you talking. It's when I talk to James too. He doesn't hear anything. And I was like, oh.
But we're learning.
Think about it
This
instead.
week we worked on the new polka that we were from the Conal Gratis workshop.
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I don't know what to say. I miss the in person because
Yeah.
we
Sure.
used to always go on after portrait pickup. It was the best thing on Wednesday night. So
Yeah.
we just have some portrait pickup. Oh, we should always. I mean, I could go other places.
Well, at some point, we'll come back to bye-bye, Osaka. Thank you. At some point, it'll switch to be in person and on Zoom.
Yeah, that would be cool.
The problem is, they're Wednesdays here, and it's the opposite is the Heritage Center, but the Heritage Center's got really super.
Expensive.
Can you mute it for a second? You're like, hang it.
Breaks over.
A little bit on Tulsa time. You're back. You've unmuted, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we're back up.
Thanks, Sean.
Sure. Do you do all those ones? Sure. All right.
I don't remember what the schedule was.
too, and everything.
Yeah.
Cool. That's a Nolan Hill sound, right? Putting it on.
No, isn't that
Who's that?
McAvoy and
Mapaloy. Is that Mapaloy
Sean
and
King.
Sean King? O'Malley?
She's been in the zone all day here.
O'Malley. It's way easier.
What was I doing?
You should have taken a picture.
Oh, I was doing that.
Yeah. Although I don't know about way easier, but it ends up being easier. Maybe your way is the best way. You're like, see guys. Where are those from?
The Cleland and
Oh yeah.
Noel Hill.
That's
So-
that album, huh? That's not the.
So on the Wednesday Zoom class, a bunch of the people went on some of the people were on the John Whelan tour, Wild Atlantic Way tour, then a whole bunch more were on the Kevin Crawford tour. And they got to meet on the Kevin Crawford one, they got to meet Total and he came in and they had played with them. And they're all like, what? So they were all playing, well, what about this one? That set. And other sets that we've done over the years with those guys. There's nothing in here. Oh, there is.
I liked how Greg kept asking questions of Connell, and Connell would just be like, yeah, very specific questions.
Well, other people are like, what about triple tucking? And I was like, I
They're
don't
very
know.
different.
The
Yeah.
contrast between, it was fun. And he was,
It's good to have with a flute wind player around because he can elicit a lot of information.
Wait, so what were Connell's things?
You know, kind of what?
What were Connell's things?
Well, yeah, he wound up saying what you guys always say. Listen, you just have to
Yeah.
listen. And
He
you
said,
have
you
to play along with the
recording.
recording. Yeah, because that's
Even
how,
after you get it, and you have to really play well with that, you can learn the tune. Because that's where you learn all the hard part about it. The first part is just to try to get the notes so you can sort of remember them, and then it's all the other stuff.
but he described the polkas as being having a lonesome sound.
Yeah.
Which
He said they're happy and jolly and lonesome both at once.
I love that. Like they do have that sound.
You can tell he's a guy who spends a lot of time trumpeting the fields himself and singing out
Through the
stuff.
fields.
Yeah.
I think when things are pretty, there's a lot of nourishment if you get used to like walking through, we'll call it country places. Just the stillness and the birds and the hedges and the smells and the color. And I was thinking about the John Doherty thing, just walking. He's gonna go. Right. That's what he did for 40 years. Just walk. He'd take a bus. He'd have he'd have a bicycle. Just walk.
Yeah.
Patrick O'Keefe did the same thing. Just walking. They didn't have cars.
Yeah.
I'm sure in the rain it sucked, but other times it was good for his soul and his imagination.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't sure what kind of flute, what kind of flute he had.
So Colorado plays a Hammy Hamilton flute.
Oh, okay.
Hammy Hamilton is a guy originally from the north of Ireland who moved,
Also
married a
great.
woman from that area and moved, and he's just across the field from Connell. He moved there because she spoke Irish and he wanted to move to an Irish-speaking area so he could learn to speak Irish.
Oh, it's a
Hammy
woman.
Hamilton.
Who makes it?
No,
She?
no,
Oh,
Hammy Hamilton's wife, sorry. It's
Oh,
too much
okay.
backstory, I know.
okay.
So it's that he plays a Hammy Hamilton flute.
I don't think there's any
Henny
other-
Hamilton is also a classical flute player.
Yeah,
Okay.
Is it
yeah, he's got made a couple records.
Blues in the Air? Is that his record?
Maybe. No, I don't know.
Is that something else?
Gary, what should we do next?
Michael Russell.
You lead the way.
I can try.
How's the first two start again? Sorry. we played it before we did. We played it single double too.
Yeah.
I think
But Michael plays a double on the record. Yeah.
Now I'm doubting
I
myself,
think they're
but I
better
think
singles,
they
too.
should be single, right?
I think they should be
I
single.
think those are tunes that are really meant to be sung.
Yeah.
Like, you repeat it and you're like, what?
Yeah, you're like thinking that's really cool. Oh, it's not so cool.
Like,
You gotta
like
do it
this.
again.
It's like, now we have a bunch of momentum to go.
Do it again.
Do
yeah.
it again.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe we'll play it single.
So the single, you would play A, B, and then right back to A, B again.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like,
We went A A B B A A B B A A B B.
you're gonna play that twice instead of
Instead of 4 times.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think he does play it 4 times though.
Right. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Then check this out.
That means like let's keep
Feels
going.
like, yeah, it feels like you should.
Should keep going. Makes sense.
I always forget that.
I won't let you say anything. No, I always stop you before you get there. We did. We needed a little bit.
doesn't know that he was the scarab. I did know it. I was
Yes, you did. Yes, you
I was
did.
like, yeah, that was like, well, that tune should be double. I think that tune should be double. It goes by too quick for me. I don't know. Maybe there's a simplicity. This were beholden
I
to
can
it.
see that one either way.
Yeah.
I can see that one either way. Yeah.
What do you think?
You said that, I'm like, no.
And then, yeah.
But actually, no, I think you're right. I mean, I think I like it. I like it single, but I can see
All right, Siobhan, what should we do? We got 15 minutes.
you know that
Is there something we haven't played that I
country song.
always mean to kind of make
Cleland
it
single,
write down
C
actually
double.
the tunes at the start, and then I always forget. Like right now.
I think you need to write a.
Yeah.
It's got to be a jig.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a
I
song.
know,
that
but you should make one.
there should be.
called
There
that.
should also be a jig called.
Yeah, it just
Or
gets
a
confused.
slip
Like
jig.
it could be a slip,
So,
5-part slip jig that you just
Hornpipes.
Right.
one time. It's
There we go.
so
One,
accent.
two,
Nobody knows.
1, 2, 3. May.
Did you just say a ballet thing? Are
Played
you a
it,
ballerina?
Yeah, he's a ballerina.
For a couple
That's
of
the
weeks, I'm a
greatest-
ballerina.
I know,
The
right?
whole world
Everything
just opened
changes.
in my mind. Yeah, that's amazing.
Everybody thinks so. That's how this happens.
Swan Lake, yeah.
It's just like getting this.
You know, he does carry himself like that, doesn't he? We all start saying this.
That's fantastic.
I have a gig with Joffrey.
Oh,
Like,
nice. Yeah.
So
How many performances?
I think it's 8 is the number I remember. Something like that.
Cool.
What is Mother's Day?
May 8th?
That is the last show.
Oh, that's the last show. Set of jigs that we can do.
We have Willie Coleman's the little team dance show.
Do those ones. Those two. And then see after that. Shoot. I was like,
Is that the one?
yeah, no, let's stop. Let's play some real instead.
Yeah, yeah.
Just so I could be myself. Let's do Clueless Wise Ways. priest who played pianoforte and wrote a bunch of tunes from that same part of Galway that we endlessly talk about. Same place as Eddie Kelly and Mike Rafferty.
That's about to put it in some real.
Joe Cooley. Joe Cooley. Yeah, that's enough. Bye, Zoomers.